So you're here to learn the basics of navigating the Blender viewport. To get started, you can use middle mouse click. This will orbit around your focused object. You can hold Shift plus middle mouse click, and this will sort of pan around it in a weird way like this. And then another thing you can do is you can hold Control Shift and middle mouse click and move forward and back. That'll zoom in and out. And to go to your orthographic views, there's this sort of gyrosphere up here. You can press the Y to go to this side, X, and you can go all the way around, even the top and the bottom view. Another cool way to do things is you can press the tilde key on your keyboard, and that'll give you the same options as the sort of 3D axis up there. You can go top, right, left, and something that's really neat is, say you select your camera and you want to orbit around that instead of this random space. You can press tilde and view selected, and that will orbit around whatever you have selected. Another cool thing you can do is you can go to view camera from your tilde key, and that will direct your view straight to the camera like that. And those are the very basics of navigation. And summarize, remember, you can use middle mouse click, middle mouse plus shift, shift control middle mouse, and then the tilde key, and that will navigate you wherever you want to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.